Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The cost of alcoholic beverages increased by 5.8% on an annual basis as of December 2023. Now, in December alone, the category alcoholic beverages, tobacco and narcotics rose by 0.3% compared with November. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says this was influenced by a 0.2% increase in the index for alcoholic beverages. Tobacco products saw an average price rise of 0.3%. Jamaicans were fairly optimistic that they would make more money coming into the new year. The latest consumer confidence survey showed almost half of the 600 persons surveyed were of the view that their income would increase. Don Anderson is the head of Market Research Limited, which was commissioned to conduct the survey by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce.
In fourth quarter, 50.1% said they expected their household income to increase. That fell by 0.2 percentage of a point, 0.3 percentage of a point, down to 49.8% in the fourth quarter of 2023. Up again marginally by 1 percentage point from the third quarter. So even here we see a marginal, really minimal improvement in how they perceive their household income and what is likely to happen over the next year.
Now, 43.6% of respondents felt their income would remain the same, while 6.6% were of the view that what they earn would decrease. Into the foreign currency market, trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $156.58. The Canadian dollar is going for $124.05. $197.79 is the going rate for the pound, while the euro is trading at $169.06. And to the stock market, the JSE index lost 648 points, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. Among the 43 winners were ISP Finance Services, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Blue Power Group, Express Catering, and Salada Foods Jamaica. The 39 losers included AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Iron Rock Insurance, Knutsford Express Services, Epley 7.25% preference shares, and Fesco. 14 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading this morning. And that is it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.